Hi everybody. I'd just like to show you what we've been doing with the grade 2s this week. I think it's really interesting. Now when the children are in grade 1, I teach them all about sugar, because life is based on sugar. It all starts as this one here. Glucose, sugar number 1. This little white powder, well, that's the energy source for living things like you and me. Now, as plants use this sugar, they put it together and put it together with other sugars, number 1, like fructose, this one. Now I can make bigger and bigger sugars, and I can use that to make bigger and bigger plants. Now, I show the children this. I want you to look at the colour. This is cellulose. It's a big sugar, and this is what plants make themselves from. When the green chlorophyll is gone, I'm left with this beautiful brown colour. Now, I want to show you this brown colour because it's very interesting. If we come over here, I can see some more things with this brown colour. These. Now you know what these are, they make a lot of noise. These are also made of sugar, chitin. It's very, very similar, almost the same as cellulose. This is how things make themselves, bigger and bigger sugars. You can also see that brown colour in this pot. This is just some rotten fruit, but inside there, changing the rotten fruit, are bacteria and yeasts, and they make this beautiful colour. Now, in our grade 2 lessons this week, we looked at this moon of Jupiter, and what we see is a white moon covered in ice, but also the same brown colour. And you can see the ice is broken, and that means it's moving. If I look at a moon which is not changing, I see craters where the moon's been hit by large rocks. Nothing changes. But here, a moon made of ice, I see this, cracks and lines and a beautiful brown colour. Now, I went to 7-Eleven and bought these bacteria here, AB, Acidophilus bifidus, and I put some under the microscope so the children could see the bacteria. Let's have a look. Now, what we saw, the same brown colour, and I'm sure you can see the bacteria and the yeast inside. Now, it's just a thought that this is what is making the colour on that moon of Jupiter, Europa. Well, it may be true, it may not be true, but that's how we do science. We look at something and then we think, how can we show it's right or if it's wrong? Well, that's the end of the lesson. See you next week.